What's up, y'all? So it's November 23rd, day before Thanksgiving. And I'm pretty much just getting ready for my daughter's birthday. Her birthday is on the 1st, and I have so many decorations and stuff to put up and figure out where to put everything. I gotta redecorate the front room to see where everything's gonna go. So I already started taking some stuff down off the walls and stuff. But yeah, so right now I'm just pre-doing all of the thank you bags, you know, for the kids. So it's gonna be a two-part celebration. So the first part is going to be house parties from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and then from 5 to 7 we're going to Monster Mini Golf arcade. So that way she can play some mini golf and have fun there. But yeah, so this is just a decoration setup day, you know, so that way by the time the day comes, I don't have that much to set up, and I already know exactly where I'm going to place everything. So when it comes to actually putting everything up, I don't have to brainstorm on how to get the apartment ready for her party. But yeah, my daughter Elizabeth will be turning 6 years old. Man, I can't believe that she's about to be 6 years old. Man, these years is flying by. But yeah, so we're doing, as you can see, we're doing a Frozen theme. So I'm doing a Frozen 2 theme party for her. I just unpacked majority of the party games is in this box, and then over there is her gifts. And then everything else that you see in those 2 boxes right here is all of the rest of the decorations. Now, when I order games off Amazon, I'm thinking like it's actually gonna be the product that I ordered. So I had ordered a bowling set, you know, for them to play. Now, when I ordered it and I looked at the picture, it looked like it was wood, like smaller wood pieces, for them to easily set up and knock the pins over for one of the games. But when we blew it up, when I opened the box and I seen it and I just blew it up, guess what? It's literally blow up pins. So now I gotta figure out where to put this at and make sure it's not taking up enough room for them so they can be able to play. I don't know what I'm about to do, but yeah, I don't know, I'm shocking you on that one. Because the picture, it was wood, and as you can see, that is plastic and blow up. But yeah. So, where's the other 2? I need 2 more. So, right now, like I said, this is a pre-setup. So, I'm setting up the bag, so I don't have to do that already when the day comes. But yeah, so it's going to have... I don't use them at all. They're just there. So, I got the little thank you things that's going to go on it. This is going to go on the bag. When I close it up, it says thank you for celebrating with us. And then I'm gonna blow up these balloons, and the balloons is going to be taped onto the bags. So yeah. See, I want to make an extra bracelet. So fast. You ain't got no small trinkets. No. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So throughout the process, I'm gonna blow one. I can't make one design bracelet real quick. No, this decent. This one right here. No, keep that one. Keep that one. I got 3 right here. No, I made it yesterday's random. I don't know why. No one. I didn't make the random. I can make one more. No, I will, please. Thank you. You ain't gotta do nothing. No, you have to get back on my receipt. So yeah, so throughout the week, I'm gonna be bringing y'all along on the decoration celebration setup for her. So it's gonna be all over the inside of the apartment and outside, so to let whoever's coming know where the party is. And I know you was about to curse. I know you was. Yes, you was. Just good child. Just hit her toe. I didn't hit my toe. The middle finger toe. She's about to say fuck. Yes, she was. Yep. But anywho, yeah, so it's just a pre-setup, getting pre-game ready for her birthday. But yeah, so ahead of time, happy Thanksgiving to everyone, since Thanksgiving is tomorrow, and happy holidays all together. Yeah, but alright, stay tuned. I'm finally finished with everything. So this is how the outside of the door looks. And let me take you in so you can see everything else. Over here, I have a balloon and then pin the nose one all off. And as you can see, they're set up over here. I did the columns myself, it took me a while. Let me turn on some light. Okay. Got Olaf Anna and Elsa right here. And then we got some other balloons going across the kitchen area. Leading to right here. Got it, that's one of the games. And then going over. We got 6 snowflake balloons for the 6th birthday. I love you can see the snowflakes under it. And then over here is one of the games, the bowling game. And then it says "Let It Go" from the song. And over here is what I'm gonna be taking pictures to. Another game that is a 2-in-1. It's got a dark game on the back, and then some more. And then as you can see, we got Elsa and Anna posted up, ready to party. And then over here, that's definitely where everyone is gonna be taking the photos at. Down there is the little photo props in that bag. And then that's the basketball game. So it's gonna be about 6-7 games total, because some of them is 2-in-1. Like it's a dark game behind that basketball game. But yeah, this is the setup. The extra balloons. I ain't want them all over the place, so I put them right there. Other than that, yes, this is how it looks. Guys, I'm tired. My arm hurts. This was a 4-day process. It was a lot. But I just hope that my daughter enjoys her day. I'm not worried about anything. I'm just worried about her happiness and her enjoyment. You know, and just seeing smiles on her face. So yeah. This was a long birthday process to getting everything, you know, from the time I had to start ordering stuff and to the time it started coming. And I had to make sure everything was in the boxes. And then from putting everything up. Yeah, so I think it's a pretty good job done, you know. So now all I have to do is get the cake tomorrow morning. It's not going to be ready until after 10 a.m. Her party is not until 2. So we good on that. And then I just got to marinate the meats that I'm cooking tonight. That I'm going to be cooking for tomorrow morning for the party. So I got to take the food out. And then I'm just trying to fall down. And then I just got to fold a little bit of laundry, put it up where it goes. And then after that, hopefully I'll be able to, rest after I get the food prep, the laundry folded. And yeah, but for the most part, this has been the whole birthday preparation journey. And I just can't wait until tomorrow. So just know December 1st is going down. Today is November 30th, and it is 3:36 p.m. at the moment. So stay tuned. I hope you all have been enjoying what you've seen so far. If you are, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting. Comment under the video, tell me what you like about the video. Spam the comments with happy birthday to Elizabeth. She's turning 6. So yeah, so stay tuned, and yeah, let's get it.